Good afternoon, students. Let's begin with chapter number 14, that is factorization of algebraic expressions. First, let's discuss what is factorization. ये factorization होता है जैसा कि आपने देखा, we have learnt that if you multiply this 2x, if you multiply this 2x into 3x, we get here 6x square. यहाँ हमने क्या किया बच्चों? मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. We have multiplied two algebraic expressions. Now the reverse process. If we have to write this in terms of product of two or more algebraic expressions, the process is known as factorization. The process is known as factorization. Okay students, so factorization is the process when we write an algebraic expression as the product of two or more algebraic expressions. The process is known as factorization. You can see the example here. As we know that 15 can be written as 3 into 5. It can also be written as 1 into 15. It can also be written as 1 into 15. So we can say that 3, 5, 1 and 15 are the factors of 15. So when one term is given to you and we have to write it as the product of two or more algebraic expressions, then we say that these are the factors and the method is known as factorization. Now students, today we'll learn first how to find out the common factor of given terms. First we'll learn how to find out the common factor of given term. How to find common factor of given terms, students. We'll learn here first how to find out the common factor. With an example, now suppose if you have to find out the common factor of 2x and 4. So what we have to do, we just need to write the term in the form of factors. So factors के form में लिखना है बच्चों. तो 2x, this can be written as 2 into x. Second term is 4. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now what we observe that in both the terms 2 is a common factor. So here we can say the common factor is 2. Common factor is 2. This is your first example. Let's take another example. Example number 2 now. Question is find common factor of the terms 12x and 15y. 12x and 15y. Let's see the solution here. We have to write the numbers. If we have large numbers, we have to write them in the form of product of prime factors. Prime factors के फॉर्म में लिखना है। तो पहले हम 12x को लिखते हैं 12x is equal to 2, 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into x, that is 12x. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x is the product. Next one is 15y. तो 15y को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 into 5 into y. Now we have to see which is the common factor. So we see that 3 is a factor of both. So 3 is a common factor. So the common factor is 3. Common factor is 3. Okay students, we'll take some more examples. Okay students, let's take third example. Question is find the common factors of the given terms. Third example, that is terms are 5x square, 20xy and 15x cube y. So first what we have to do, we have to write this first term, that is 5x square, as its factors. So we can write here 5x square. This can be written as 5 into x into x. Next one is 20xy. 20xy. 20, we can write the factors as 5 into 2 into 2 into x into y. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20 xy. Third term is 15x cube y. 15x cube y. So this can be written as 5 into 3 into x cube. So it is x into x into x, y. So into y. So we have written this terms in the form of factors. Now we have to find out the common factors, students. So the common factor will be now we have to see the common factor in all the three. तीनों में common होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि दो में common है उसको हम common नहीं कह सकते. तीनों में common होना चाहिए. देखिए 5 is here, so I write here 5 as a common factor. Then next one x is common. So 5 into x is the common factor. There is no other common factor. So the common factor is 5x. And we can also call it as the HCF. This can also be called as HCF or GCD. HCF means highest common factor and GCD means greatest common divisor. Okay students, HCF means highest common factor and GCD means greatest common divisor. We'll take some more examples. Now students, next example is find the HCF of 11xy, 22x square y square and 33xyz. HCF, first let's see what is HCF. As we have discussed right now, HCF refers to highest common factor. HCF refers to highest common factor. It is also known as GCD. The full form of GCD is greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. So HCF, or you can also say find the GCD of the following expressions. Now let's see The solution to this question, see 11xy. 11xy, this can be written as 11 into x into y. Further we have 22x square y square, which can be written as 2 into 11 into x into x into y into y. Further the next one is 33xyz. 33xyz. So 33xyz, this can be 33 is 3 into 11 into x into y into z. This is 33xyz. Now we have to see the common factor. Now let's see what is the common factor here. So we observe here that the common factor is, देखिए तीनों में होना चाहिए, 11 तीनों में कॉमन है और x तीनों में कॉमन है और y भी तीनों में कॉमन है. So the HCF is 11 into x into y, which is equal to 11xy. The common factors are 11x and y, and the HCF is 11xy. Okay, students? Okay, students, next question is find the common factors of 6x and 7y. Now let's see 6x and 7y. 6x, this is 2 into 3 into x. 7y, this is 7 into y. Now here we see that there is no common factor, and we have already learned that 1 is the factor of every number and 1 is the factor of every expression. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 सभी numbers का factor होता है. Also it is a factor of every expression. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों 6x का फैक्टर 1 होगा, तो इसलिए हम 1 यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं और इसमें भी हम यहाँ पर 1 लिख सकते हैं. We can write multiplied by 1 in all the cases. Now we see what is the common factor. Now we see that the common factor is 1. So therefore HCF is equal to 1. HCF of the two given expressions is equal to 1. That means when we write it in the form of factors and when we find that we have no common factor, that means their HCF is 1. Okay? Okay students, next is find the common factors of the given terms. That is, the first one is ax and bx. And the second one is ax square and by square x square. So we see, let's see the solution for the first one. First one, ax. This is simply written as a into x. And bx is simply written as b into x. Now let's see the common factor. Here we see in both these x is common. X दोनों में है. Therefore HCF is x. Second example, second part, ax square. This can be written as a into x into x. and b y square x square. This can be written as b into y into x into x. Now we see the common. X is common here. Again one more x is common here. So therefore the common factor is x into x into x, and this is equal to x square. So students, this way you can find out the common factors of the given terms. So today's assignment is solve first question of exercise 14.1. Today's assignment is so students, here today's assignment is, the questions are given here. Find the common factors of the given terms. First one is 12x, 36. Second is 2y, 22y. Third is 14pq, 28p square q square. Fourth is 2x, 3x square, 4. Fifth one is 6abc, 24ab square and 12a square b. And the last one is 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. Thank you students. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.